Hello everyone, I'm Brad. Welcome to Airstream, Utah and our Maintenance Monday. Today I'm going to talk about your pre-travel checklist. This is included in your manual, so you can find this in your owner's manual and you can read right through it, or you can just listen to me. Interior. You need to turn off your water pump and switch. You need to close all windows and vents, close all interior cabinet doors, latch your refrigerator door. It says hold down and stack all loose, hard, and sharp objects. So anything that may slide around or move around as you travel down the highway. Fasten all sliding and folding doors. Drain your toilet bowl. Turn off all your interior lights. Lower the mounted tables to be even with the dinette seats. Pull up or retract the step. Lower all blinds. Secure and lock your main door. Those are your interior items. Now let's go check out the exterior items. Disconnect and stow your electrical cord. Turn off your propane tanks. Retract your stabilizing jacks. Check your hitch for proper alignment. Check safety chains and breakaway switch cable. Fully retract your hitch jack. Check all of your lights outside your clearance and your tail lights and turn signals. Check the torque on your lug nuts. Check your tires for correct pressure. Adjust your tow vehicle mirrors. And then the last recommended item on the checklist is pull forward about 50 feet from your campsite. You can do that, and you can check your brakes. You can use your brake controller to make sure the trailer brakes are working to stop your rig. And you need to walk back to your campsite to make sure you're not leaving anything behind, which is often done. The checklist provided in your manual should be used as a basic guideline for what you need to do before towing your trailer around or going camping. You should develop your own checklist based on the items that you have inside and outside of your trailer and what you have in your tow vehicle. This will help you stay safe and keep you camping for years to come. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.